and grit. Ford F100s, they don't quit. Chrome so bright, it blinds the sun. In Pigeon Forge, the trucks have won. Chrome and thunder, rolling deep. Smoky Mountains never sleep. Ford pride rides through every mile. No other badge, just blue oval style. Engines hum like a gospel choir. Tires sing on roads that climb higher. June heat melts the mountain air, but these old trucks don't seem to care. Hoods pop wide, stories flow. Every dent's a tale they know. Chrome and thunder rolling deep. Smoky